This is printed with sublimation ink. This can only print white fabric. Dark fabrics cannot be printed, because black will seep into this fabric with the ink. This is DTF printing. It has a white background underneath. The texture of this sublimation transfer printing is the same as before. This DTF is different. The supplies used are also different. The sublimation paper used for sublimation ink. After it is heated, just transferring the color onto fabric. DTF is different. This is a printed transparent film. It has a layer of gelatinous texture on the back. And it has a white background. It is directly adhered to the fabric through this hot melt adhesive, so DTF printing has a gelatinous feel, but it can print various fabrics. But sublimation printing can only print this type of white fabric.